Hello.
Zaf people,
Arna, what's up? What's up?
did you have the Olmang concoction that I sent you?
Huh?
I get that.
Huh? She's under
अरे
COVID.
she is having a problem. I sent a remedy. उसके बारे में बोल रहा हूँ. If tomorrow some pharma company comes and says Old Monk is good for cold, then you call Old Monk lime juice or medicine. Just because a pharma
everyone.
company is not calling it medicine, you guys are calling it lime juice. ये तो बहुत गलत
Plus-
चीज है.
plus.
Eclairs gel दे Old Monk में hot water with इलायची and वो चक्का. पूरा मिक्स करके एक शॉट 60 मारो. कल सुबह पूरा ठीक हो जाएगा. ट्रस्ट मी ऑन दिस.
ये काय रे मैकेनिक रात भर खांस रहा था। जा जाकर मेरे बाटले से 2 घूंट मार ले जा।